So Epic Water Filters sent me this water filtration pitcher, and I normally don't do videos that sponsor other people's stuff, but I am very concerned with drinking pure water as much as I can. It seems that there's junk in everything we eat and drink nowadays, and I want to give myself the best shot I can with good health and a good life. And, I know we're all gonna die, got that down, but how much I suffer between then and now that's the question. So, anyway, I tested out this. They did send me this for free. It's a $79 pitcher, but my impression of it is pretty much good. I do have other water filtration systems. I have one that hooks up to my hot water, Instant Hot, and another standalone, which I'll talk a little bit about later on in this video. But this one went together really well. It sits on the counter, so it's actually pretty simple to use. I know Brita makes stuff like this too, but I really enjoyed this one, and I'm just going to show you how easy it goes together and some other details about it. So this is a quick little video, but I just wanted to give you my impression of this, keeping in mind drinking filtered water is very important. So this is the manual. It comes with eco-friendly cardboard paper, but it goes through everything, step-by-step instructions, frequently asked questions, lab test results, independent labs, and a bunch of other things you can learn about. So it's pretty comprehensive for a tiny little booklet, but it gives you the information you need, and it tells you exactly how to set it up, not too hard. It even has a timer that goes up to 90 days, and for one person, 4 to 5 months, the filter lasts. 2 people, 3 to 4, family. It gives you the detail. It's 90 days. You can keep resetting it if you're 1 person, 2 people, whatever. All kinds of information. Leak prevention guide. Like I said, tips, frequently asked questions. These are the independent lab results. If you want to join their club, there's a scanner. But all kinds of other products, like an on-the-go water filtration system. And this may even be good enough for like pond water or something. I don't know. You can read about it on their website. I'm going to put a link to this at the end, down below in the documentation area. And it even has a home filtration system. So there's a lot of really neat stuff that they sell. And I'm testing it because I thought it was a really interesting and good company. And nowadays you got to be careful with everything you put in your mouth, whether it's water. You think water's innocuous. Well, it isn't. Especially with these new forever chemicals. You've got to be very careful with that stuff. So I'm trying this out, and I'm going to do a taste test in a minute and let you know how that works out. I'm going to do regular tap water. Another filtration system that I have, I'm going to test that, and then I'm going to test this one to see the difference in the taste. Okay, my sister is going to do a taste test since I can't taste or smell, so she's going to start with this one over here and then work her way that way. No comment.
A little something to it. That one's colder. That's probably my least favorite. This one has like a flavor to it. It's warm. It tastes fresh. That's my favorite.
Okay, this is the pitcher I just bought. This is the other purification system I have. This is tap water. She didn't notice anything from the well, tell us
I don't really like the tap water. It's just flat, doesn't taste. I mean, it's okay.
It probably has fluoride in it and a bunch of other junk.
Yeah, I can taste it. It's got something in it, but this is not bad either. It's a really close.
These are both filtered systems. They're
This
both
tastes fresh. It tastes better than a lot
they're
better
both
than that.
PVA. They're both forever chemicals filtered out. So, what do you think of this new filter
I think it's
thing that I
great. It
got?
definitely works. It definitely is much better than the tap water. I would definitely recommend it. I like it.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
And I'll tell you what that one is in a second. So the middle one that she tested is a Durio, and this system was over $200, where that pitcher was $79. So big difference. And this is a reservoir you have to constantly fill up, not unlike the pitcher. Now remember the one, and this has two filters. This has two filters in here, and they last a long time, and then another filter in here. She says this has some kind of flavor. I don't know. But anyway, that's the other one.